Hi everyone, I'm Zeng, and today I'm going to present Safe on Hashi Pool Flow. The goal of Pool Flow is that we can read and verify data from Ethereum from time to time and execute on Gnosis Chain and secured by Hashi. So we have safe on both sides of the chain with a main safe on Ethereum and with the owners of A and B, and also the secondary safe on Gnosis Chain with the owners of C and D. And the idea is that we want the main safe to have the permission to control the secondary safe. So let's imagine a scenario where A on Gnosis Chain want to call a transactions using the secondary safe, and in normal case that is not possible because A is not the owners of secondary safe. And how can we achieve that? So A has to get the proof from Ethereum node by calling the if-get-proof API, and also calls Soyubashi to get the block header with the same block number. And after that, with this data, A will call an off-chain verifier to verify the proof, and after that, verifier will return the result back to A. So how does the off-chain verifier work? First, we based on the assumption that the block header from Soyubashi is always correct, and we get the block data from Ethereum. We first check if the block header from that block is the same as Soyubashi, and next we call the if-get-proof API from Ethereum node with the safe address and the storage slots of the address we want to prove, and the block number with as the parameters. Next, we create two Merkle trees. One is the storage Merkle trees, and the other one is the account storage tree. And we verify that both proof is correct by comparing the data of the value we get and the data from the tree. And after that, if the verification is true, A can proceed to call Hashi module, and Hashi module will call the contract that A wants to call. So next we are going to show a little demo. And now I'm logging in the Goerli safe, which is the main safe in this case, and I'm going to use this 41F address to call the functions using the safe on the secondary safe. And now I'm logging to the Gnosis chain, and as you can see, there is only one owner, which is not the owner that I'm currently logged into, and I cannot create a transactions on that address. So now let's proceed to verify my identity on the safe on Hashi app. So I'm going to prove that this address is the owner of the main safe, and from Goerli. So now let's get the proof and verify the proof. So it is correctly verified. So now let's try another fake address. And as you can see, the proof is invalid. So let's now we can proceed to the create transactions, and we create from in this we are calling the ping pong function on Gnosis chain, which we are going to call the ping function and increment the count. Currently count is 10. So we are going to insert the Hashi module for this secondary safe and the contract address for ping pong contracts, and the functions that we want to call. So we create the transactions using the MetaMask, and we can check that we are using this 4/1/8 to call the Hashi module, and now the count is 11. So we can double check with the transaction history and verify that the transactions hash is the same, which means that we are indeed calling from the safe on Gnosis chain. So that's all, and thank you for listening.